Good day viewers, welcome to today's tutorial, and today under electric charge we'll be discussing on Coulomb's law. So the first question we need to ask ourselves is, what is Coulomb's law? So Coulomb's law actually states that the force of attraction between two charges is directly proportional to the product of those two charges and inversely proportional to the square of their distance apart. That is, if I'm having two charges Q1, Q2, the first thing I can note here from this free body diagram is the distance. Let's call the distance R. So Coulomb's law actually states something. Let's call this these are electric field or electric charge is equals to, so it's directly proportional to the product of those charges. So it's proportional to Q1 times Q2. This is our first point here. And also it is inversely proportional to the square of their distance apart, which is R. So F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance apart. So let's state this in a single form. That is, F is inversely proportional to the square of the distance apart, and it is also directly proportional to the product of Q1 and the second charge. So to remove the sign of proportionality, to remove this sign, to put the equality sign, our constant will come in, which is equals to K Q1 Q2 all over R squared. So K has the value of, this K here is not just any constant, it has a value of 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught. So I can also state this formula as 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught times Q1 Q2 all over R squared to multiply them. So we make this easier since all these are constants. 1 is a constant, 4 is a constant, pi is a constant, epsilon naught is also a constant. So simplifying this, K can also be written as 9 times 10 raised to power 9, and the unit of our constant is Newton meter square per coulomb square. So we'll be applying this formula in our next class, which we'll be using it to solve different problems on this topic. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.